Let's get familiar with ionic and covalent bonding. First, let's start with ionic bonding, where metals react to form cations by losing electrons. On the other hand, nonmetals form anions by gaining electrons. In ionic bonding, one or multiple electrons is transferred from one atom to another atom. Cations will end up with 0 valence electrons, while anions will end up with 8 valence electrons. In covalent bonding, atoms share electrons. Covalent bonding typically occurs between nonmetal atoms, but ionic occurs between metals and nonmetals, and occasionally metalloids. One covalent bond equals 2 shared electrons. Elements can form double or triple bonds as well. Covalent bonds form polar, unequal sharing, or nonpolar, equal, bonds based on the electronegativity of the elements involved. Ionic compounds are also known as salts, and are held together strongly because of electrostatic attraction. Ionic compounds have a structure called a crystal lattice, highly organized, repeating pattern of ions. Ionic compounds are brittle, hard, and crystalline. Covalent compounds are usually softer and may be liquids or gases at room temperature. They do not conduct electricity in a solution. Ionic bonds are like giving a present to someone, because you don't expect it back. This is similar to ionic bonding when the metal atom gives its valence electrons to the non-metal atom. Covalent bonding is like holding hands with someone else, because the hands still belong to the person, atom, but they are also a part of the other person, atom. In conclusion, ionic bonding is when a metal atom transfers its valence electron, S, to a non-metal. Covalent bonding is when two or more non-metal atoms share their valence electrons with one another.